Hey, where are you? I'm over here. Hey, come here. Let me show you what I'm going to do today. Pressure cooker, stir fry. Wait. Stir fry in a pressure cooker. What am I saying? But I got a wok here. Why do I got a wok? Just like a stir fry. But I do have a wok, see? I put olive oil in this pressure cooker and I put it on saute. Listen to this. Do you like that? I'm going to get some of my tools. Stir fry it around. See that? I'm just going to brown it right now. In here. In this pot. On saute with olive oil. Just brown it up. It smells good with the olive oil and the fresh beef strips. And you have a bag. So easy, so lazy, so easy. Frozen tricolor pepper and onion medley. But it's easy and it's frozen. I'm going to pour that right in there. First, oh, that smells good. Smell that. Woo! First, I'm going to get that meat just a hair browner. Like on the surface. And this is what I'm going to eat today. This is our supper. Try it. This meat's not that expensive. It's strips. It was already cut up, but you could use any kind you want in there. Throw in some pork chops, slice them up, you know. Whatever you like. Sizzle a couple minutes. It's coming down to a nice simmer now. How far in there can you see? Oh, I could have put more in. I had twice as much meat as that, but I didn't. Well, it's just a light supper. Good, healthy supper for us. A little bit soy sauce. Perk it up a little bit. Oh, you should smell it now. Look at it. And I don't want to cook that meat all the way because we're going to pressure cook it. And it's going to be so tender. And these flavors are going to infuse. Wow, you should smell it now with the vegetables and the peppers. A little shot of that soy sauce. That's all we're going to do here. Look. So you could finish it completely like that, using it as a wok. But I canceled the saute function. Put the lid on. It's already in pressure mode. I'll go down here to pressure cook mode. See, pressure. Set that. Not 2 hours. I want. Guess how long I'm gonna do this for? Guess. How long am I gonna cook this for under pressure? Are you guessing? Three minute minuets. Okay. And all those flavors are gonna be infused, and that beef is gonna be tender, and the vegetables will be just right. Back at 3 minutes. Less than 1 minute remaining. And this Instant Pot has a push button on top. Well, there it is. I'm going to show you right now. See? Push button. Alright, let me acknowledge this guy. I got it. I hear you. Thank you. Just push that button. See? That's all. Oh, yeah. That smells so delicious. I'll be back after this steam comes out. It smells so good. You can smell them peppers in there. Oh, and the meat and the Worcestershire sauce. Oh boy. And wait till it's safe to open. You're gonna hear a click where the button pops down. The button back there? You can't see the button back there. It'll go. Come on. Okay, see? Now it's safe to open. It smells so good. I'll open it right now. You want to see it? Want to see it before me? Tinkle, tinkle, tinkle. Whoa! Talk about stir fry. Look at this. One more thing I'm going to do. I'm going to add some of this sweet and sour sauce with flavors of pineapple, peppers, and onion. Alright. Oh, I could have used all that meat. I had twice as much meat, remember? Top it off with some sesame seeds. Oh. And a little minced onion. I know we got enough onion in there, but I like it. Because I like it. Now comes the time to taste it. Oh, it's so delicious. Look at it. Just look at it. There's enough in there for 3 more bowls like this. I'm just going to show you how good it tastes. Oh, a splinter. One time I got a splinter from chopsticks. I did. Look at it all in there. It's melting. Fine vegetables. Ooh. It's so delicious, and it was so fast. You can do it in your pressure cooker, whatever brand name you have. Check my pressure cooker playlist. I have over 200 videos on there. Pressure cooker fun recipes. Easy, delicious, cheap. You know, how easy was this? Make that for your family. They're going to love it. Talk to you soon. Please subscribe. Time to eat.